Hi students, good evening. How are you all today? Hope that all of you are fine and doing well, keeping fine at home. Yeah, studying at home too, revising your work. Please do not be lazy at home. Do some work. Go to your English work, just revise up, or do some reading and improve your vocabulary. Just improve yourself because you got a long holiday. Just use that up very well. Okay, today's class is going to be 3 works, right? You have your speaking, and then I've given you focus on PT3, and then also a homework. The 3 sections here: speaking, focus on PT3, and also your homework. Now when you talk about the speaking, what you have done here, I've actually put that a kind of a PDF file with a question. There's a conversation between two people. Now you go through that between two people here, right? So you go through that and understand the conversation. And if you are lazy to read, I already put that also in the voice recording, right? You can just click the second one. It's a voice recording about the conversation too. And in the third one, I've actually put that in PowerPoint slides. The PowerPoint slides will tell you exactly what to do. There are 3 sections in your speaking, section 1, 2 and 3, or part 1 and part 3 here. So I've actually kind of put for you what you should do. So go through the PowerPoint slides and listen and watch the slides here and understand what you're supposed to do for your speaking. Okay, and that's actually all that are classworks. You have to finish the classwork and send it actually today itself. It's not a homework, the classwork. So please listen carefully and understand the directions and then do it up. Can? Okay, good. And the second part is focus on your PD3. Focus on PD3. Teacher have done on household chores. Household chores, right? So if you don't know what is household chores here, teacher have done actually a video. Just as a YouTube video, I've put it there for you. 15 words that are concerned with actually household chores. So you watch the video and then you understand, look at the passage, and then there's a table to fill in. That too is a classwork for today. It's not a homework, but classwork for today here. So follow the direction, do that up properly in a piece of paper and send it to me. So far you're okay, right? You have your paper, you're speaking first, and then you focus on PD3 on the second part. So all that actually you have to do that in the class itself. So when you go to the Google Classroom, when you read through, please go to that and do that up here. Clear? And then the third section is your homework. Homework, what I've done here, I've given you on error correction. Error correction is part of your exam. So what you have to do, you have to go to the passage and correct the errors. And remember, always when you're doing your error correction, look at the first sentence. The first sentence in the passage here and understand what is the tense. Always here, when you look at the first sentence, you understand the first sentence here, look at the verb, it's always in the past tense and present tense or present continuous or future. So if you have like was or played, that means you know that the whole throughout the passage here, you have to do that in past tense. If there's a guy is playing, then the present continuous, you have to do everything in present continuous, the verbs especially here. And if you have the word like he saves or he goes, that's present tense. That means the whole thing must be in present tense. We have he will be going, so will be or will go is all future tense here. So the first line is very important. You understand the first line, look at the tenses here, then all the verbs in that particular passage should be in the same sentence. Okay, so go through the questions one by one here. Sometimes you have to be careful of this the grammar, the other part too, like plural and singular, your pronouns, prepositions, right? Collective nouns, is, am or are, the subject verb agreement. All these are important when you do your error correction. So go through that and then follow the direction that actually I've given in the section here, and do your error correction for your homework. Do the answer in a paper sheet of paper, and I already put the due date. You read through and then send it actually on the due date. But the first and second one is your classwork. Okay guys, Have a nice day and take care. See you all again next week. Okay, bye bye.